So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are asking regarding the arcade program, means how we can earn more than 95 points. We are starting just now. We are completely new to this event. Please guide us and please show us a perfect roadmap. So all things will be covered in detail, and for everyone, whether you're watching this video in March, April or June, everyone will be able to earn something, means some swags they'll be able to get in this arcade program if you're watching this video. Now make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video, also hype the video so that it reaches a genuine audience. Now coming over here, this is our arcade homepage. Okay, so here is the arcade homepage. Here all the games are posted over here, means every month fresh set of games will be over here, right? So first of all, let's understand what these games means and what's inside the games. So just like arcade program, if you have participated previously, in case you haven't participated previously, it's a 6-month program where you learn about cloud computing in a gamified manner. For example, if you just click on start over here, you can see here multiple labs are there, right? You can see here related to Looker, whether it's Kubernetes, load balancer, security, and Looker Studio, multiple options, multiple products are there. So we learn about these concepts in a gamified manner, and when you complete these all games, means all labs, we get the particular badge. And when you complete the particular badge, we get some arcade points. For example, if you completed this game, you get 1 arcade point, similarly and so on for each game. So we'll cover the point system also. Now when you complete this badge, you get the point. Now what is the arcade points might be coming in your mind. So arcade points is just like a currency. For example, if you want to buy something, you have to pay something. Okay, similarly it's a currency. Here you pay arcade points and get some goodies from the Google team. Now here the next thing is that you need to understand that this program is 6-month event, and cohort 1 starts from January to June, and cohort 2 starts from July to December. Okay, July till December, and we are currently in the January to June cohort, that is cohort 1. Now here whatever games you are seeing over here, right, here whatever games you are seeing is of January month. Like this only, every month there will be fresh set of games so that you can apply and complete them, and you can get some arcade points over there. So here let me just brief you how many games will be there in the entire month. So each month there will be 10 games. Okay, out of which 4 will be trivias and 6 will be level games. So total how much points will be earning? Will be earning 11 arcade points, right? We'll be earning total 11 arcade points each month. Why 2 point extra? Because there will be some special games also which will give us 2 points instead of 1. So here you understood the main thing, that there will be 11 arcade points each month with 10 arcade games. Now as I said, this event is currently for 6 months, right? This event is currently for 6 months, and it will be running till from Jan to June. So you'll be having 11 into 6, 66 points. Now in between there will be facilitator program. Okay, facilitator program which will be starting in April or May. Mostly let's assume it starts in May. Okay, let's assume it starts in May. So you're assuming facilitator program starts in May, and we'll be having 2 months, May and June, right? So if we just segregate up to April, how much points we'll be earning? April equals 4 month. 4th month, April is 4th month. So we'll be having 11 into 4 equal 44 points, right? 44 points up to April, and in May and June, 11 points each month. It makes 11 into 2 equals 22. So we are having 44 points up to April, and in April and June we'll be having 11 points each month, so it will become 22. So total we are having 66 points from the arcade games itself. Okay, no skill badges are touched over here. Now the 2-month facilitator program which will be running from May and June, mostly I think so, maybe earlier also it may start from April, then updated guideline will be there. So assuming it facilitator program will start, there will be some milestone also. Okay, so here if you just assume the ultimate milestone, because most of the people target it and you are targeting 95 plus points. So if you are just completing skill badges over here, we'll be completing first of all skill badges. So how much points we are having? 66 points from the arcade games. Okay, 66 points from the arcade games we are having, and we are completing 52 skill badges. So you'll be having total 92 points. How 92 points? We completed 66 arcade games which are giving us total 66 points. Okay, sorry, we completed 60 arcade games. Sorry for the confusion. We are getting 66 arcade points for the entire 6 month just by completing arcade games. And for skill badges, for 52 skill badges, we are getting 26 points. So it total becomes 92 points. Now, once you earn 92 points, it's very close to 95 points. Now, if we just consider the facilitator program bonus points over here, right? If we just consider the facilitator program bonus points, here you can see 25 points are there. So assuming it, you are just watching it late also, then also if you are participating in the facilitator program, you are getting 92 plus 25. So 92 plus 25, it becomes 117 points. See, assuming they will be just updating the point criteria also or skill badges criteria also. So if they increase the criteria, then the points will also obviously increase. So we are getting 117 points, okay, with Arcade Facilitator. We are getting 117 points with Arcade Facilitator. Now, suppose you miss, by any chance you forgot, or by any chance you haven't participated in the Facilitator program. Now, how much point you can earn? Now, again, it will be 11 into 6 equals 66. Now we have 92 plus skill badges. 92 plus skill badges are there, but for ease of calculation, we are just taking 92. So for 92 points, 92 skill badges, we get 46 points. Okay. Why 46 points? Because if we just see the point matrix over here, for every 2 skill badge, we get 1 arcade point, right? So we are having 46 points from here. Okay, 46 plus 66. So it becomes 112. Okay, 112 points we are getting over here. So even if you don't participate in the facilitator program, then also you are able to reach maximum points over here, right? So the main thing is that here the skill badge effort is added. Means here we have done only 52 skill badges, while here we have done 92 or 92 plus skill badges to reach our tier. Now I will just show you a quick overview for every month for participants who are participating from the start. Okay, from start, everyone is who's participating means you're starting from the June, even if you are participating from the June itself, or whether you are participating from the January itself, how will be getting maximum points over here. Means my motto is that you are getting at least a basic swag over here. So I have prepared a table for everyone, whether you are starting from the January itself, or whether you are starting from February or directly from the facilitator program. I'll help you to maximize your points, right? So if you have started from January, we have already covered. For the people who have started from January itself, they can easily reach up to the 117 points if without facilitator, and with facilitator they can easily reach. So here you can see if you start from January itself, you'll be having total 66 arcade points at the end, and you'll be getting around, with facilitator you'll be getting around 117 plus points, and without facilitator, just by completing skill badges and the arcade games, you'll be having 112 points. Now if you miss any month, for example, I'm assuming that you have completed the January month games also, but somehow if you have missed the January games, you can start from February games, and here you can see we are earning 55 points. Okay, 55 points we are earning, and if you're participating in the facilitator program, then also, so this is our perfect table. Okay, if you have completed from January till June, with facilitator program, you'll be earning more than 100 points, that is 117. See, these numbers may increase or decrease depending on the point criteria. So if they update, I'll make an updated video for it. But without facilitator, the criteria will be same. Means whatever points you are seeing without facilitator won't change. Now here, if you start from February, you'll be earning 106 points. If you continue from all the games, means you complete all the 10 games, you earn 11 arcade points. Now here, 106 points, how it is becoming? Okay, we are doing 52 skill badges. Okay, for 52 skill badges, we are getting 26 points, right? So that's how we are making it 117 and 106, right? Similarly, if you are just starting from the March month, right? March month you are starting, then also you are having 95 points using the 26 skill badges, right? 44 plus 26, it becomes 95. So even if you are targeting 95 points, it's very easy. And if you're starting directly very late in May and June, then it will become a little bit difficult for you, right? Because we are having 71 points with skill badges also and this also. So you need to do extra skill badges. Like there are 92 plus skill badges. So you need to do more skill badges to reach more points. For example, if you complete 4 skill badges, you'll be having 2 points, right? So it will become 71 plus 2, 73 points. Like this, you need to understand. And without facilitator, here you can see all these points are mentioned over here. So here we are not considering the bonus points. Here we are just considering skill badges. Like here also I have added 53 skill badges, 52 skill badges. Now, depending on your requirement, you can do less skill badges. For example, if highest milestone is only 95, why I will waste my efforts and do 100 points when I'm not getting any better swags or extra swags? So you can just quit at the point matrix. Currently, the point matrix is not revealed yet. Wait for the point matrix to come. It will be updated very soon, and when it will be updated, I'll make a dedicated video for it so that you are able to understand the updated point system and how you can maximize your points. So here you can see, okay, so if you start later on, for example, if you're starting from April and May, okay, May and June, if you are starting, then it will become a little bit tedious task for you to complete the challenges, because there'll be limited time. And if you forgot by any means, if you forgot to join the facilitator program, then you need to do a lot of work by completing the skill badges. Now, how to find the skill badges, I've attached the description box. Just check the master sheet and just click on the pre-assessment skill badges. How to get the credits, for credits also I have attached the video, you can check it out. Now here we have covered some of the important things regarding the point system. I hope you understood that every month we are earning 11 arcade points, and here this was just a rough example, rough data to help you understand. Okay, here we have considered the skill badges only and bonus points, right? Here we have considered skill badges and bonus points over here. And if you're starting very late, then it will become very difficult. So if you have missed the January game, start from the February. And one more important thing which I wanted to share, they have shared this criteria, and I have made it related to this only. But for skill badges, the criteria is same. And for the milestone, they may update it to 60 skill badges, 65 skill badges, or maybe bonus point may change from 25 to 30. So it may change. And whenever there will be some change, I'll make a video for it. Do not worry. I hope you understood the point system. We are earning 11 arcade points each month. Keep earning each month. For the facilitator program, a form will be released. You have to fill the form. Currently, it is not live. So keep earning all the points till April and June. Whenever update will come, I'll make a video for it. And you might be thinking that what will happen to our points. As you have seen in the calculation also, I'm just adding the previous points from the January till June without and with facilitator. That simply means that whatever points you have earned earlier also will be added to. So do not worry. If you still have any confusions, you can let me in the comment section. Let me just re-summarize all the things that we are earning 11 arcade points each month, right? We are earning 11 arcade points each month. There will be facilitator program which will be giving us bonus points. Also, there will be some skill badges. For every 2 skill badge, we get 1 arcade point. Now here with just arcade points only, we are getting 66 points if we start from January. If you start from February, you get 55 arcade points. And similarly, if you start from March, you get 44, and so on and so on. Similarly, you have to calculate. This is the simple point system shared by the team. You can see over here. For each level game, we get 1 arcade point. For each trivia game, we get 1 arcade point. For each 2 skill badge, we get 1 arcade point. Also, whenever a new special game is live, they'll mention the point over there. For example, if they mention 2 arcade point, it will be listed over there. If they mention 3 arcade point, it will be listed over there. All things are covered. I hope it clears your doubt. And for the bonus points, you need to wait for the facilitator program to start. If you are having any exams in between, you can just start doing the skill badges. You can just see all these points can be done without the skill badges. And these points are actually valid. For the facilitator program, they may update the milestone or not. So the points may fluctuate with facilitator category, like these points which you are seeing. Okay, you can just see, watch it carefully and understand it. It's very easy if you have watched the video carefully. And without facilitator, it's normal. Now let me just show you a quick overview. I'll find the master sheet over here. Okay. So this is our master sheet. Here you can see all the monthly games are listed over here. And just next to it, the pre-assessment skill badges. Here you'll find all the skill badges. On the left side, all the badges are there. On the right side, the solution guide is there. If you still have any doubts how to complete all the things, you can comment down below. Or what is the pre-assessment skill badges? If you're still having doubt, you can watch this video and understand how to join the game, how to join the things over here, and how to participate in the event. So that's all about this video. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.